Hey everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript course. So in this video, we'll be looking into how to reverse an array inside of JavaScript. And if you find this interesting, let's get started right away. So in this video, we'll be exploring about how to basically reverse an array inside of JavaScript. Okay. So inside my VS Code, I've opened up my index.html file, my style.css file, as well as my script.js file. Okay. So inside my index file, there is some basic boilerplate code, as you can see over here. And inside my style.css file, there is some basic styling that is given. And inside my script file, there is a basic console.log message. Okay. So now let's start exploring about how to basically reverse an array in JavaScript. Okay, so for that, firstly let's create a basic array. Okay, we're going to say const letters equals to a, b, c, and then d. Okay, so basically we have 4 letters inside of our letters array. So the first important and the most common method inside of JavaScript is the reverse method that we have. Okay, so we'll be applying this. Okay, so we're going to say const reversed letters equals to letters dot reverse. Okay, like this. And in case if you just console.log the reversed, let's just write in some comment. Okay, reverse letters, and we just gonna call the reverse letters like this. Okay, so basically inside the console we should be seeing DCBA, right? Because we have applied the inbuilt reverse method inside of JavaScript, right? So let's check that out. Let's pretty much save our file and get back to our console over here. Yeah, so this is the reverse letters, that is DCBA, and it has 4 items inside of it. Okay, so that's working absolutely fine. Whereas if I try to console.log the original array, so we're gonna say console.log original array like this. We're gonna call the letters and let us pretty much save the file. Okay, so let's check out our console. Okay, that is a different output. Okay, whereas even the original array has been modified, right? So we actually expected it to show this itself, that is ABCD. Okay, but over here it has modified it. So we should implement this problem in such a way that even if we reverse the original array should not be modified, right? So we have different methods to that. So let's check out different methods to reverse an array. Okay, without modifying the first one, right? The original array. Okay, something like this. So the first method we'll be making use is the slice method. Okay, because the first method is just copying, thus actually changing the original array. We'll be making use of the slice method. So we're going to say const sliced array equals to, we're going to call the letters array like this, and we'll be making use of the slice method, passing nothing inside the method, that is no parameters, and we'll be making use of the reverse method nav. Okay, so basically if you use a slice method, it's not gonna change the original array. So okay, we should be getting ABCD itself. Okay, so after slicing it, we're gonna say console.log like this. Okay, so basically we'll say original array. Okay, so this is gonna be letters itself. Okay, I don't think we'll be getting the output, because after doing this, letters will be the DCBA itself, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create another array. We're gonna say const words, something like this, and we'll create a comma, let's write in all the words. So we're gonna say A, B, and C, and we have the last one D. Okay, so we'll be making use of the words because letters at this particular stage, the value of letters is a DCBA. So after doing nothing over here, if we just console.log the letters, we are going to get the DCBA itself. Okay, which we don't want to show. So basically over here, instead of letters, we're going to make use of words, right? So now save the file. So this is the original array, and let's call words over here. And after slicing and reversing it, we're gonna say reversed array. This is gonna be basically our sliced array. Okay, so let's pretty much save the file. So now in this case, this should not be changed. Okay, over here we should get ABCD itself. Okay, and in the second state we have to get DCBA because we have sliced it and we have done the reverse method. So we should get D comma C comma B comma A. Okay, so let's check that out. Save the file, and there you go. So this is the original array ABCD and the reversed array is DCBA. Okay, so that part is working absolutely fine. So the next method that we'll be making use is basically the spread operator. So spread operator. Okay, we're gonna make use of another array. Let's say fruits equals to mango, kiwi, and then apple. Okay, so we're gonna say const spreaded fruits, okay, equals to basically we'll be making use of the spread operator. We'll be calling the fruits, and then we'll be now using the reverse method. Okay, as such like this. So now we're going to console.log the original array and the modified array. So original array, this is going to be fruits. Okay, and in the modified array, so console.log reversed array. So this is basically going to be our spreaded fruits. Okay, so basically inside our original array we should get the same thing, that is mango, kiwi and apple, whereas inside our reversed array, that is we have made use of the spread operator and then we have applied the reverse method to the array, we should get basically opposite, apple, kiwi and mango, right? So let's check out the output. Save the file, and over here, yeah, so there you go, mango, kiwi, apple, apple, kiwi, mango. So this one was by the spread, I mean this one is original and this one was by the spread and then a reverse technique. Okay, so the next method we'll be applying is the reduce write method, like this. Okay, we're gonna say const let's say websites equals to Google and Facebook, and one more, let's say Twitter. Okay, something like this. And now we'll be making use of the reduce method. We're going to say const reduce websites. Reduce in the sense we'll be making use of the reduce write method. So we're going to say reduce websites equals to, firstly access the websites array, and we're going to say reduce write, this one, it's going to take in the accumulator and the current value that is in the reduce write method, and basically we're going to return a new array which is going to basically spread out whatever is there inside the accumulator, and we are gonna simply add the current value each time this is gonna run. So current value signifies, because we're using reduce write, it's gonna come from Twitter, Facebook and Google, so that's gonna get added. Okay, so initially we need to pass an empty a starting state over here for a new array if we use if we use the reduce write method or the reduce method. So since we are returning an array over here, we'll be making use of an empty array. Okay, so let's say if you want to calculate a sum of anything, sum of elements of an array, then that case we'll be just providing an empty integer value that is 0, right? So hopefully this should work. So now what we're going to do is, after doing this, let's come back over here. We're going to say console.log. So firstly we'll be making use of the original array. So we're going to say original array, that is going to be our websites, like this. And after that we have is console.log reversed array. Okay, so this is going to be reduced websites. Okay, is the spelling wrong? Reduced. Let's pretty much copy this and paste it over here. Okay, So still we have an error. What is the spelling? Reduce websites. Okay, S is missing. Okay, so now over here we should get same that is Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Over here we should get Twitter, Facebook, and Google. Okay, so let's check that out in the console. Yeah, so there you go. We are getting Google, Facebook, and Twitter, whereas inside our reduced inside a reversed array, that is by making use of the reduce write method, we are getting Twitter, Facebook, and Google. Okay, so these are some of the ways that we can reverse an array without modifying the original array. Okay, whereas if you use just the plain reverse function instead of JavaScript, then in that case even the original array is gonna be modified and shown like this, right? So I think that's it about this video. So let's see in the next video, and then thank you for watching.